Hey Parkavi, I've been hearing a lot about these candlestick patterns in the stock market, but I really don't get how they work. Can you explain it?
Sure, Tamilini. Candlestick patterns are a visual way to represent the stock market's daily price movement. They show the market's open, high, low, and close prices for the day.
Okay, so how do these candlesticks actually work?
Imagine each candlestick as a bar for a single trading day. The wide part of the candlestick is called the real body. If this body is filled in red, it means the closing price was lower than the opening price. If it's green, the closing price was higher than the opening.
So it shows whether the price went up or down in a day?
Exactly. The color coding makes it easy for traders to see the difference between the opening and closing prices. Candlestick charts are much easier to read than bar charts because of this visual aid.
What about the patterns? I've heard terms like hammer and shooting star. What are those?
Good question. There are many candlestick patterns, and they are divided into two main categories, bullish and bearish. Bullish patterns like the hammer or morning star signal that the price is likely to rise. Bearish patterns like the shooting star or evening star signal that the price is likely to fall.
So if I see a bullish pattern, should I immediately buy the stock?
Well, not necessarily. No pattern works all the time. Candlestick patterns show tendencies in price movement, but they aren't guarantees. You need to analyze them in the context of the overall market trend.
That makes sense. Can you give me some examples of these patterns?
Sure. Here are a few basic ones. Hammer, a bullish pattern, where the stock opens lower but closes higher, creating a long, lower shadow. Shooting. Star, a bearish pattern that shows the stock opened higher but closed lower, indicating selling pressure. Bullish engulfing, a bullish pattern where a small red candlestick is followed by a larger green one, engulfing the previous day's range. Bearish engulfing, the opposite, where a small green candle is followed by a larger red candle.
I can't wait to get started with this. Thanks, Parkavi. I'll make sure to practice more, and of course, I'm subscribing to your channel, Parkavi Finance.
Haha, thanks Tamilini. You'll find more videos about stock trading and financial tips on my channel, so keep watching.